Okay, now that we have our mini pancakes in our 13 by 9, I'm gonna grab my sliced strawberries and we are just gonna sprinkle those right on top of our mini pancakes. This is gonna be such an easy and such a delicious breakfast. We're instantly gonna come in with our blueberries, all these beautiful fresh fruits. They're making my mouth water. It's really gonna elevate this breakfast to be something your kids will absolutely love. I think that's plenty of blueberries, so we'll save those for a snack. Next, we're gonna add our blackberries. Now, if you don't like a specific berry, you can skip it for this dish, or you can do all one berry if you have a berry that is your favorite. But I just love the variety and how it looks in the pan. And we're gonna finish off with my favorite, some fresh raspberries, such beautiful summer fruits for this breakfast. Go in with our clean hands and kind of just spread them from edge to edge, get them kind of, evenly coating those pancakes. We're gonna move our dish to the side and bring in our dozen eggs. We're gonna add some half and half to our eggs, just right in there. You can add as little or as much. I'm gonna add about a cup to mine. We're gonna add some vanilla extract to this, and we are gonna add 2 teaspoons. We're just gonna use the cap because that is the perfect measuring tool for your vanilla. Beautiful. Last thing we're gonna add to this is our ground cinnamon, and we're gonna be super generous with this. Now, if you don't like cinnamon with berries, you can skip the cinnamon, but I personally love a little bit of cinnamon with my berries. Now that we have all of that in our large bowl, we're gonna give this a good whisk so that everything gets combined together, those eggs get scrambled, and we create a beautiful, almost French toast-like mixture. But this is gonna be so much better than any basic French toast. It's gonna be so great for summer. Your kids will love it. It'll be great for a Sunday brunch. Adults love it. If you have a sweet tooth, this will be for you. Okay, once all of our yolks are scrambled, we are gonna grab our pan back, and it is time to drizzle our egg mixture right on top of our pancakes and berries. Beautiful. And that is just gonna soak into those pancakes. One last ingredient we have, I have my zester here and some lemon. This is totally optional, but I just like to do a little bit of lemon zest. It just complements those berries so beautifully and it tastes amazing. Obviously, if you don't like lemon, you can skip this altogether, but I am obsessed with lemon. Okay, oh, that lemon smells so good, being zest on top of those fresh berries. All right, so this does have to sit for a little bit before we bake it. So I'm gonna pop it in the fridge for 1 hour, but leaving it overnight is best. All right, it's been in the fridge for 1 hour. Now we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 for only 40 minutes. Oh my, this looks incredible. Delicious berry desserts. This is gonna be so tasty. Okay, let's go ahead and cut a slice out of this. Oh my goodness, get that side corner piece. Corner piece is always the best. Oh yeah, it's cooked perfectly. Look at that. Oh, it's like a French toast casserole, but better. Of course, we're gonna put some maple syrup on here. We didn't add any sweeteners, so you gotta sweeten it up. The berries is not enough. Delicious. All right, time to dig in. Oh, my mouth is watering with all of these flavors. So good. You guys gotta try it.